Alright, y'all. We got Jesse James. Let's see who he versus. Hey, hey. Whoa. 10-4. That's major. 10-4 finna race. That's major. Who is locked down? That's major. That's who they racing right here, locked down. Here we go.
Are you watching over here?
She gave the thumbs up. Seen the thumbs up, dude. Mustang on Mustang crime. Mustang on Mustang crime. Hold on, man. There you go. Tess. Tess. Tell them you famous girl. Oh, hey y'all, this Tess. All the way out of California. Miss Maverick. She got a Maverick. She wrecked it, but she got another one. She finna get it. It's fast. It's off the charts. It can whoop some of these cars that's up here, y'all. And she got a small block with a Pro Charger. They been tweaking and twerking on it and working and everything and getting it all right. And now she almost ready. She finna come back out in a minute. She finna be faster than ever. Everybody gonna be, boy, I'm trying to tell y'all, y'all just don't know.
I'll be back
Next year? It ain't gonna take that long. Okay, they said it take that long. Okay, it's gonna take that long, but she gonna get it fixed. She gonna come up here, got big time grudge races coming up. Get everything lined up.
True Street, put him in 5 and 6. True Street.
I should have got the other side.
5 and 6.
I ain't never got on this side yet.
Put him in lane 5 and 6.
Look out. That was a good hit. Good
Make
hit.
sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.